Alright guys, what's going on? And today I'm not in my garage. Doing something a little bit different. We came here to pick up my diff. I'm here with my boy G, Florida Auto Performance. Let's get that real quick. You know what I'm saying? So I'm picking up my diff. They installed my M-Factory LSD in my Wago Diff. So here we go, guys. This is done. All I gotta do is just put some Honda Bond, bolt that on, and you guys get a closer look. I'm sorry that I didn't get to show you guys how to assemble this or anything like that, but they're the ones that, they're the ones that did it, and it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I needed it done. I wasn't able to do it, and they got it done for me. So yeah, guys, back at it again. I appreciate you guys at Fab. Chris, he's not here. He's the one that did the diff, but I really appreciate you guys. I really do. So. And I'll be bringing
New Year's special. That's why no one else is here.
And then also he's definitely gonna be the one that's doing my welding on my car. So in about hopefully a couple weeks, I'll be here dropping off the car and get some fabrication done, and then we'll be burning all fours, literally. All fours. Yeah. Let's get it. All right, guys. So we are back. I'm on my way home now, and I got the diff ready in the trunk. So all I got to do now is when I go home is just put some Honda Bond and seal it up, close it up, and just install it back on the car. I just wanted to make a quick video, guys, just showing you guys that I got the diff back and we got an LSD put in. And I just really wanted to tell you guys from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for the love and the support. It's been real. Guys, it's been like about a year and we already hit almost close to 1,000 subscribers. That's amazing, guys. I'm amazed, guys. I never thought that this would even be possible. So with all that being said, guys, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. We'll continue to make videos and we'll keep grinding. Soon, I'll have the car started and then we'll be doing pulls. As always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Stay tuned. We got some more heat coming. Appreciate all you guys. Happy New Year's, guys.